You're standing in a showroom, budget's fine, you can afford either. But here's what nobody tells you. You're about to pay 36,600 rupees more for a bike that's smaller. 155cc Yamaha XSR, 160cc Bajaj Pulsar. So why does this happen? Let me show you what you're paying for. Let's start with the price. The XSR 155 costs 1,50,957 rupees. The Pulsar 160 costs 1,14,380 rupees. That's a 36,557 rupee difference upfront. Now here's what's interesting. Mileage is almost identical. XSR gives 46 kilometers per liter, Pulsar gives 47 kilometers per liter. That's just 1 kilometer per liter difference. First thing people notice is design. The XSR 155 looks premium, retro modern styling, unique, eye-catching. On Instagram, it wins instantly. The Pulsar 160 looks aggressive, sharp, muscular, but common. Your friends see an XSR and think you have taste. But here's real life. After 30 minutes in traffic, things change. The XSR has a slightly aggressive riding posture. Your wrists take more load, your shoulders feel it. The Pulsar is more upright, more relaxed, easier for daily city rides. After 2 hours in traffic, comfort matters more than aesthetics. So be honest with yourself. Are you buying this for photos or for daily riding? Let's talk performance. XSR 155 makes 18.1 bhp and 14.2 Nm torque. Pulsar 160 makes 15.7 bhp and 14.65 Nm torque. Yes, the XSR actually makes more power, but weight changes everything. XSR weighs 137 kg, Pulsar weighs 148 kg. That 11 kg difference is huge. Power to weight ratio matters more than raw numbers. In city traffic, the XSR feels lighter, more agile, quicker response. On twisty roads, it feels playful and engaging. The Pulsar feels slightly heavier, more controlled, less sharp but stable. On highways at 100 km per hour and above, that extra weight helps. The Pulsar feels more planted, more stable in crosswinds. So here's the truth. Same segment, different character. XSR feels fun and responsive. Pulsar feels stable and practical. Neither is better. They're just built for different riding styles. Now let's talk ownership and resale. Yamaha service and parts are generally more expensive. Bajaj parts are cheaper and widely available. Service centers, Bajaj has a massive network across India. Yamaha's network is good but not as widespread in smaller towns. From a practicality point of view, the Pulsar is easier to own. So here's the simple breakdown. Choose the XSR 155 if you ride mostly on weekends, you want a lighter and more playful bike. Design and uniqueness matter to you. You don't mind paying extra for brand and style. This is a lifestyle choice. Choose the Pulsar 160 if you commute daily in traffic, comfort matters more than looks, you think about total cost of ownership. Service network and resale matter to you. This is a practical choice. So which one are you? The rider who values emotion and design, or the rider who values practicality and ownership ease? At the end of the day, the better bike is the one that fits your life, not the one that impresses strangers. Choose based on what you actually need, not what looks good online. Thanks for watching.